We need a new kind of mobile phone for a new mobile reality. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S9, the phone reimagined.
Hey guys, so finally it's the day for the Galaxy S9 to launch, but what we just saw is completely unexpected. Just recently, the official launch trailer of the Galaxy S9 was accidentally uploaded by Samsung on YouTube even before the launch of the device, and later on it was deleted, but it was re-uploaded by other YouTube channels again. So let's check out the breakdown of the official launch video of the Galaxy S9. So the video starts with these leaves in super slow-mo action hinting at the slow-mo feature, and then there's a highlight of the design which looks same as the Galaxy S8 but with a change in the position of fingerprint scanner, and a new earpiece too, which is the secondary speaker, as the Galaxy S9 family will be the first one to feature a dual stereo speakers. Next, the video shows multi-window feature which allows you to use two applications at the same time. And then there's the new Samsung DeskPad which allows the phone to lay down flat and comes with drag and drop support to copy things, and you can also use the phone screen as mouse or keyboard. So you just need to connect your device and start using it pretty much like a computer with the all new DeskPad by Samsung. And then we have the reimagined camera, and right here as you can see the camera lens moves. We have already discussed earlier that the Galaxy S9 will indeed have a variable aperture, and this pretty much confirms that. And then we have the new Bixby Live transition and the AR readiness feature which will make AR technology open and ready for business. And there's the app pairing feature that was introduced with the Galaxy Note 8, and as you can see the phone comes with IP68 dust and water resistance. Then the video mentions the phone reimagined to protect your data, which is made possible by Samsung Knox 3.1, and the new intelligent scan is also shown here which uses the combination of iris scan and facial recognition, and it seems to be very fast. And also the fingerprint scanner is highlighted showing that it can be reached easily and works much better. There's also a new Enterprise Edition which is easy to configure and has 24/7 technical support, full OTA update support, extended device warranties, extended product guarantees, and security updates for up to 4 years. And apart from this, the Galaxy S9 will have all the Galaxy S8 features as well. Also, we got to see the pictures of the Galaxy S9 family. The rear side was same as it was seen in the renders, but it looks much better in real. And the front side of the devices with home screen and app drawer confirm the AR emoji and super slow-mo video recording features for the camera, which had been in rumors from many days. And also the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will show secured by Knox every time you boot up or restart them, just to make it clear that the device is secured by Knox, which is the most secure mobile security platform. So that is it. This was the official launch trailer of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, which showed us everything the upcoming flagship will have, and also it confirmed the major rumors too. So let me know your thoughts about this one in the comments below, and also subscribe to the channel now for more updates.